Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get to notify each time I drop a video. And if you subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I prepared this DIY carrot butter for skin lightening and skin brightening. This cream actually is going to glow your skin at the same time, guys. If you want to see how I prepare this effective carrot body butter, just keep watching this video till the end. I'm going to go ahead and wash my carrot and I'll be right back. So this is my carrot after I just finished washing it. So guys, this is my carrots. I just finished grating my carrots. So now we are going to move to the next step. So guys, moving on to the next step, I'm going to use my cooking pot and I'm just going to add my carrot that I just grated. I'm going to add it into my pot. So guys, I'll be using two different oil on this recipe. I'm going to be using my 100% pure natural coconut oil, and I'm going to be using my virgin olive oil as well. So guys, we are just going to let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes and we'll be right back. So guys, this is how it's looking like after 15 to 20 minutes of cooking. I think I'm just going to take it off the stove. I think I'm just going to leave it for about 10 minutes to cool down, and then I'm going to strain everything, guys. After letting it cool down, as you can see, I'm just going to strain everything. So guys, this is how it's looking like. I'm just going to cover it and I'm going to place it in my refrigerator, in the freezer. I'm going to let it I'm going to leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, I'm just going to place it in my refrigerator for about 20 to 25 minutes like this. So I'll be right back, guys, to show you guys the result. So So guys, this is after leaving it in the freezer for 25 to 30 minutes. This is how it look like. Add a little bit of my pure natural aloe vera. So guys, I'm just going to use my mixer to whisk everything together. We are going to be needing our pure white, so white oil. This is so effective, guys. And we are going to be needing our glycerin, guys. As you can see, this is glycerin. This is pure glycerin. We are going to be needing our lemon oil. We are going to be needing our so white, pure white gold serum. This serum, guys, is so effective. We are going to be needing our carrot oil. This is natural carrot oil that I made myself. We are going to be needing our vitamin E. As you can see, this is anti-aging vitamin E, guys. We're going to be needing this. And we are going to be needing our vitamin C serum. And we are going to be adding a little bit of our vitamin C carrot to it. So guys, these are basically all the things we are going to be using to activate this cream to turn it into an half-cast whitening lotion. Guys, first of all, I'm just going to take 2 pieces of this my vitamins E. Adding a little bit of my glycerin. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my pure white gold serum. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my carrot. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my lemon oil. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my pure white, so white oil. To be adding a little bit of my vitamin C. So I'm just going to stir everything together. Our half-cast body milk is looking like, guys. As you can see, you can make this in a large quantity. And for this summer, guys, this is really nice for summer because it's so oily. For those of you that have dry skin, this is so nice, guys. So I'm just effective. You can add tube, you can add any tube of your choice to this half-cast lotion, guys. I will advise you add your vitamin. Effective, and this is natural, guys. This is really nice. This is natural and there's a lot of vitamin. I'm just going to keep mine in the refrigerator, guys. I like it when it's cold, as you can see. Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to add the rest part of it. I'm going to save it. I'm going to use it for this summer, guys. If you have dry skin, this is really oily, guys. Trust me, when I said this is oily, is, as you can see, for those of you that have dry skin, this is really oily, guys. It's so moisturizing and has a lot of vitamins on it. So guys, you have come to the end of this video. Hope you guys find this video helpful and useful. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, share if you haven't already. See you guys on my next one. Bye bye.